Hi, everybody. Welcome to the show. Good night, everybody.
Hi everyone. So just put the kids to bed and I'm going to show you a couple things that I like to do at the beginning of a month to kind of make sure that the whole month of our homeschool runs smoothly. April 1st is coming up on Monday, so I just want to show you guys a couple things because doing a little bit of prep ahead of time makes our month so much easier. Number one, the first thing we're going to do is our calendar. So obviously switch the month over to the next month. But I'm gonna go through our calendar. I'm gonna make sure to add in things that are kind of last minute or things that I haven't already put into our calendar. I also like to make sure we add in our theme for the month, and I'm gonna use that theme to theme our book basket. Once we have our theme set, the next thing I wanna do is load up our book basket. So these are some of the books we were reading last month. So I'll put these back on the shelf and then I will go through all the books that we have and pick out books that are related to our theme. I like to aim to have like 12 to 15 books in our reading basket because these are the books that we read on school days. Other than that, we read other books. But if I don't have enough books from our personal collection, then I'll go online and order some books from the library. So the next time we go into the library, I get to pick up some more books and they will also go into the book basket. But I like a theme basket for reading because it kind of gives us a way to introduce new ideas and new concepts to the kids. So I've got, I think about 13 books in here. That should be enough for our reading time on our school days, but I'm excited to read all these spring Eastery books with the girls this month. So that's one job done. So another thing I like to do at the start of a new month is kind of go through our supplies that we use on a regular basis. I noticed this past week that Lexi has kind of used up a lot of her markers, probably because she colored entire pages purple and yellow. Her markers are running a little low, so I've got some new markers I'm gonna put in her pencil case, and our Play-Doh is getting a little low and a little crumbly. Fill up our drawers and make sure we're all ready so that when it's time to do our schoolwork, we can just sit down and we have everything we need. Lastly, before the month starts, I want to make sure that I have prepped any big projects. We are starting a bigger, longer term project. We're going to be graphing some things over the next 20 days or so. So I'm going to take a few minutes now and set that up so that when it comes school time, I can just pull it out and explain it rather than, spend 20 minutes trying to draw it out. Let me know in the comments below what are some things that you like to do before your month starts to help your month run smoothly in your homeschool and in your life, because I'm always looking for more tips. So I just need to hang this up and I'm all ready for the next month. So bring on April and I will see you guys soon. Bye.
If you like what you saw, please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell to get notifications when we upload our latest videos.
Give us a thumbs up and don't forget to leave us a comment. We'll see you next week for more activities, adventures, and lifelong learning.
Bye!